If your Discord chats are not loading, today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix it. So first thing first, if your application is having trouble loading your chats, you can launch your web browser, get logged into your account, get into any server, and see if the chat is loading here. Now, next thing you're going to search is, go below at the search bar of your PC, type in a task manager. Open your task manager, click on processes, and then click on anywhere, type in D. If you see Discord, right click onto it, click on end task. And once you do so, also make sure your Discord is closed from your bottom below menu. Expand this. If you see Discord, right click onto it and then click on exit. Now see if this fixes your problem, and if it's still not working for you, then you have to uninstall Discord and then reinstall it again. So at the below search bar, type in Discord, click on uninstall, and again install it from your Microsoft Store. Then open your Discord, log into your account, click on chat section, and your chat should be loaded.